Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy like a restaurant. First, begin by collecting the flavorful pan drippings from your roasted meats. These drippings are the foundation of a rich, savory gravy. Next, you'll need to create a roux, which is a mixture of fat and flour, to achieve that perfect, velvety thickness. Remember to season your gravy generously throughout the process for the best possible taste. Now, let's craft the perfect roux. You'll want to combine equal parts fat, such as butter or pan drippings, and all-purpose flour. For example, use 2 tablespoons of fat with 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook this mixture over medium heat, whisking constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes, until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color. This careful whisking prevents lumps and ensures a smooth base for your gravy. Once your roux is ready, it's time to achieve that smooth, restaurant-quality consistency. Slowly and gradually whisk in about 2 cups of hot broth or stock into your roux. Continue whisking vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Then, bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your gravy and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs as desired. For an exceptionally smooth texture, you can strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any small lumps or impurities. Serve your rich, flavorful, restaurant-style gravy warm over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or any dish that needs a touch of savory perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.